Alright, if you know this channel, then you know this is quite different from what I normally upload. That's because I think this is quite important. So basically, if you want to become a creator, then you need to know what you want to do. And sometimes, you don't even know what you want to do. I'm going to use me and my channel as an example. Basically, I started about a year ago. I uploaded Minecraft videos. And at the time, I thought that was what I wanted to do, but then after a little bit, I did mostly enjoy it, but I had that little bit of doubt starting to brew. And a little bit later, I started uploading twice a week, as opposed to the once a week that I was doing before. That was just a bit too much. So then, all of a sudden, twice a week, and then nothing. Because I was just overwhelmed. I didn't like it anymore. So it took a few months, and then I uploaded another video. I was like, I'm back! As you could probably tell, I wasn't back. That's because I just didn't like those videos anymore. So basically, I was miserable because I really wanted to make videos, but I didn't know what I wanted to do. So I decided to make a new channel, and I recommend that if you really want to do something different, that would be a good idea. Just start clean. Originally, I was planning on just posting different videos on this channel. I started thinking about it. It kind of just sends negative signals to YouTube. It makes it so YouTube doesn't really push your videos, so people don't really see it. Sometimes just making a new channel is best. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to abandon those 2.6 thousand views and those 71 subscribers and start fresh. If you really just want to do something different, it's probably the best idea. But yeah, if you're interested, you can check out the channel down in the description. It's going to be sort of similar to this channel, but still pretty different. That's all I'm going to say for now, and I'm going to get back to editing that video.